Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you this delicious egg fried rice recipe. It only takes 5 minutes to make and it's super duper easy. So let's get started. First up, in a pan, pour some oil. Add chopped ginger and let it fry for a while. Add some green chili and mix it all together. Now it's time to add the vegetables. First I'm adding carrots. So you can add any type of vegetables that you like. I'm also adding chopped cabbage. If you missed any of the ingredients that I said before, you don't need to worry at all because you can easily access them down in the description box where I'll list all the ingredients. Here I'm using 5 eggs. Crack each one of them into the pan and mix it all together. Add salt according to your taste and some chili powder. You can also use pepper instead of chili powder. Make sure to mix everything properly. Here I'm adding a bowl of cooked rice. Mix until all the rice is coated with egg and vegetables. According to your preferences, you can add more or less rice. Add some soy sauce. And your egg fried rice is done. It's actually so easy. It will literally take you only 5 minutes to make, and serve it into your favorite bowl and enjoy. And to top it all off, I'm also going to add some spring onions on the top. If you like this recipe, make sure you give it a big like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell down below to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. My family absolutely loved this, and if you try it, make sure you comment down below how it went for you. Bye!